Welcome to another vlog. Nasa dessert na ako. Hindi ko na napakita yung kinain ko. Pero gusto kong na-miss kong kumain ng gulay. Because for the past days, puro pork. Today is such a lazy day. Ilang profs yung nagpa-cancel ng class. Kasi they're expecting the worst weather for Pepito. Tama ba yun? Ba yung name ng bagyo? Tapos, Monday and Tuesday, sobrang araw. Sobrang araw. So, yun. I am advancing my... Hindi ko alam kung ako lang ba. Gusto ko yung ganyan siya kalambot. So, gusto ko siyang patagalin hanggang lumambot in that consistency form na gusto ko. I'm studying in advance for finals kasi December 14 na yung finals. Excited na ako magpasko ng matiwasay at masaya. Sana ma-survive. Yung midterm grades ko, hindi mataas, hindi mababa. Sabit lang. But I'm happy naman kasi at least pasado. So, may time pa para bumawi for finals. Pero kailangan ayusin ng sobra-sobra yung finals. Yeah, yun lang naman. And I'll show you yung iba ko pang gagawin today. But it's just a regular chill day. Yung work ko ang dami. Pero the good thing about work is that pagising ko ng umaga, magtatrabaho ako, hindi na ako niyan aalis sa desk. Walang hingahan, ganyan. Kasi pag gumawa ako, parang gusto kong sobrang pulido sa work. And the good thing about being a marketing professional for 9 years now, I've been working 9 years na, parang gamay na gamay ko na siya. So, whenever I submit or create presentations or plans, proposals, ganyan, nagtatagal talaga ako sa research aspect. Like, I really need to get good research works or readings para lang maging maayos or maging meet yung ipapakita ko. Especially, kapag new market segment yung hawak ko. Weird nga because for the past years na nasa financing industry ako, lagi lang new markets yung hinahandle ko. So parang madalas, you're just gonna come up with the plans yourself, yung ganon. So yun. And then, nagla-lunch break ako pag kunyari mga 11:45, ganyan. Tapos balik na agad ako ng mga 12:30 or 12:45. Wala na namang tayuan yun. Wala na namang tayuan yun para talaga matapos ko agad. And yeah, nagtatagal talaga ako sa template, sa format, ganyan. But the work itself, like, I really love writing. So yun. Kaya, parang, na-enjoy ko siya at the same time. I really enjoy my work in marketing. Swerte ko na lang din. But, having that option to pursue my love for law naman, another thing naman yun because I like reading at the same time. Parang, it's a different field naman. Ayun. I'm just really excited to finish my finals. Kasi nag-aano na ako, like nung Sunday, nag-start na ako ng advanced readings ko, ganyan. And parang half of the time, especially at night, pagdating ng 7:30, ayun na, start na. So tapos I'll study up until 1 AM. Hanggang 1 AM lang ang kaya ko. Before sabi ko 11. Pero grabe, you need to listen to your you need to listen to your body. At minsan may mga times na gusto talaga ng utak ko yung wee hours ng 11 to 1. So ayokong sayangin na dun siya gumagana. Yun, I also like in the afternoon, lalo na kapag weekends. Yun yung favorite kong time to study. Iba talaga yung feeling na you listen to your body. And then syempre, like what I did last midterm exam, exercise. Ang tagal ko lang di ulit nag-exercise, nakakainis. Pero yeah, whenever I put myself in too much stress, kumbaga yung environment na, or medyo fast-paced kasi nga, ayan, may exam, tas ang daming need sa work, I really need to exercise, ganyan. So, yun. Yun lang naman muna. I'll update you guys later. Dalawa siya. Isa lang ang This is what I've been working on, and sana maayos ko na. So it's lunchtime, and ito yung ulam ko. Gutom na ako. Let's eat. And we're back. Ilang days na akong hindi nakapag-workout. Like 2 weeks na ata. And every time na may stressful activity, ganap, lalo na ngayon, malapit na yung finals. Ang ginagawa ko, lagi kong minimake sure na nag-exercise ako para lang yung happy hormones mag-kick in. So, I'm going to do a quick 30-minute workout. Tapos, piniprepare ko yung food ko on the side. I think I'll do my favorite home workout. Tamo yung double chin ko, lagi itong sinasabi ng boyfriend ko. Wait lang, let's see. So, ang lagi kong lagi kong gustong, eto. This one from Momomi. And then, yung kay Chloe Ting, di ko muna ginagawa kasi. Di ko masyado. Simply Pinay, it's my favorite. I'll show you. Simply Pinay. Arm workout. I really like her workout routine because it's very simple. Ay, sorry, si Kat Aglipay. Simply Pinay to before, but yeah, yan yung lagi kong favorite na panoorin, yung arm workout. And then, ano pa ba? This is my new favorite, yung HIIT workout, yan. Because yan din ang ginagawa ni Dua Lipa. So, every day, I have this app na na-share ko na before. Ay! Yung iPad ko. Na-share ko na to before. This is the app Lose It. And hindi to hindi to sponsored I really subscribe to this app na nirecommend nung dati kong ka-work. Tapos, you log in all of your food intake. So, every day, I need to, wait lang, pakita ko sa inyo. I need 1,232 calories. Yun lang yung kailangan kong i-consume daily. So, I make it to a point na within those bracket yung pag-consume ko ng calories. Tapos, it's a 6-month program. I think I'm on my 2nd month. Nakakakita na ba ako ng changes? Well, hindi pa. Siguro on the 4th month makikita ko siya. So, yun. I make it to a point na within those. But, hindi naman yung tipong wala kang cheat day. Actually, yung 1st month ko, talagang religiously, tinatry ko siya. Pero on the 2nd month, pumapalya ako yung ganun. But, ginagawa ko, binabawi ko. If say, for example, I ate a lot today, following day, hindi gaano. Lalo na kung walang exercise. Kasi, hindi talaga ako nakapag-exercise lately. So, yan. Dahil papalapit na ang finals at sobrang nagiging stressful na sa school, I'm doing my advanced reading. So, I start at 8 p.m. to 1. Daily na yon. 8 to 1 a.m. And then in the morning, work. Tapos, sa gabi,
school. Buti na lang ibang professors hindi nagpapasok lately. But just so, I really need this exercise. I need to work out talaga. So, nagsastart ako 30 minutes, tas succeeding day, naging 35, 40, tas 45, tas maintain na yung 45. Lalo na kung matagal kang tumigil ng 1 to 2 weeks. So, yun, I'll set the time. Clock. Lang. So, timer tayo ng 30 minutes lang. Ganun lang ka-bilis. Para 7, pwede na tayong kumain. So, yun lang. Let's go!
This is my version of Hong Kong noodle style. And syempre, itong drink na to from G-Max Keto. Yung apple flavor to. And then tong version ko ng Hong Kong noodle style. So, ito binili ko lang to sa Shopee. Ayan, dried egg noodles. Ayan. Let's eat.
Freshly cleaned face. Done taking a shower. Magsa-skincare na ako. As usual sa naka-ref ang ating skincare.
First things first. One, ayoko na umakyat for my tripod. Ayan. Mag-linis lang muna tayo. Freshness. Ito time-lapse ko na lang to para mabilis. Ano ba? Ba't ang hirap na hirap ako? Nakatimpayin pa ako. Don't forget the neck. This is a thick cream. Ang hirap. Nakatingkayad ako. Ba't ba hindi ko ngayon? Ano ba ang fail? Wait, ayusin ko nga. Then, hindi ako mapirme. This one. Yan! Better, better, better. Dagdagan natin. Ang cream. It's a thick cream. Don't forget your neck. And then eye cream. Matipid itong eye cream na to. Kaya niliyang ako dito. Tapos, ang ating retinol. Ang tipid nitong retinol na to, pero parang paubos na. Nararamdaman ko na siya. So, if I have an upcoming facial treatment, tinitigil ko yung retinol ng 5 to 7 days before the facial treatment. And that's it! Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoy this. #road to 20k sub. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!